Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing the Apple AirTags. So these are Apple's, locating tag things which you can put on other devices to track them. And this is like Find My on iPhones and stuff. So you guys can see the box up here, the front, back here, the back. So this one here, this is the 4-pack. So nothing too much on the box, just like the AirTag thing, and yeah, so you guys can see. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. So we pull it out from the bottom, and there's this thing which you have to pull out. This whole thing. What also falls out is, what's this? Warranty paper thingy. Other thingy and thing. Yeah, we can put these to the side. Probably won't be needing them. Now, you guys can see this says AirTag, and then you open it like a notebook, and you see that, and then you open up the notebook again, and then you see the AirTags themselves with instructions on the two sides. You guys can see that? So, you guys can see on the left, the first step is that you have to turn on Bluetooth. You guys see Bluetooth. Next step is that you have to hold it close to your phone, and then it'll automatically pair, kind of like AirPods. You guys can see. So let's take the AirTags out. 3, 4. So these are Apple's, I guess, Tile equivalents. The Tile brand, they had these for a while. These are like the same thing, but the great thing about these is these all work with Find My, the app, which also tracks your iPads and iPhones. So everything's just in one app, and it's really easy to use too. With like, it shows how far you are from your bag or something or whatever it is. So you guys can see here we have 4 of them. Let's show you each one. So we got one for one of our cars, the SUV here. And then we have another one for a bag. You guys can see. Another one for another car. So you can engrave these like you guys can see here. And you can also get them blank, or like this. This is blank. So with engraving them, the great thing is that you can now easily like identify where the AirTag's supposed to go. So we're gonna start off with pairing up the plain one. Now we're gonna go ahead and pair this up with the iPhone. So over here we have the iPhone 12. You guys can see the red iPhone 12. You guys should go check that video if you haven't already. And we're gonna be pairing it with this. So let's go ahead and start pairing it up. So you have to have Bluetooth on. So first thing you need is Bluetooth on. You guys see, and now we're gonna open this up because to pair it, you need to take off the plastic. So let's take it off. And so you guys can see it's like stuck in between, so you have to pull it out, and it gets paired. So we're gonna click connect. We're gonna name it backpack. Okay. We'll do that. And then it's just gonna be, it's gonna start setting it up. And now that it's set up, you can use the Find My app. You guys can see, view in my Find My app. So we'll click that. And you guys can now see in the Find My app, it shows the, we'll close that, and it shows the location of the AirTag now in the Find My app. So if we click, you can play sound. So it's playing the sound. You guys can hear. We can stop playing it. And we can also click find nearby. Once we click find nearby, it starts showing where the location is. Here. And once you found it, it says here. You guys can see. Let's close that. This is also really useful car keys and stuff, so those don't get lost. That's really cool. So over here, we also have these covers. So Apple also sells these covers, but they're really expensive for some reason. When you can just get these random ones off Amazon, which work the exact same way, and they would work fine. So we can put this in, and voila! That's now you can like attach to your keychain. I mean, it might not look the, I guess, like most secure. That's why you can just like always get another enclosure which is like completely enclosed, I guess, and it would still work. Yes, see. So this thing here is really cool. It's going to be really useful if you lose your keys. It's going to be really easy to find them now because of the Find My app, where it shows how close you are and how far you are from the object. So we're going to use this a lot, I guess, and now we don't have to lose our keys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.